Kathy with Atlanta Area Property Management. Well, managing a rental property in Georgia is more than collecting rent and handling repairs. It's a legal responsibility governed by state law. While Georgia is often considered landlord-friendly, that does not mean landlords can operate without structure or compliance. In reality, failing to follow lease terms and state regulations can quickly expose a landlord to financial loss, lawsuits, and even the inability to enforce your own lease. Well, one of the most important areas of compliance is handling security deposits. Well, most owners assume the security deposit belongs to them, but in reality, it remains with the tenant's money. A landlord may deduct for legitimate damages or charges permitted under the lease. Under Georgia law, landlords must follow strict procedures, including placing the deposit in an escrow account and notifying the tenant in writing where those funds are held. After move-out, the landlord is required to return the deposit within 30 days, along with an itemized list of deductions. Well, if these requirements are not followed, the consequences can be significant. Tenants may recover up to 3 times the amount wrongfully withheld, plus attorney's fees. Well, this is one of the most common and costly compliance mistakes that do-it-yourself landlords make. Another criteria is habitability and property condition. Georgia's Safe at Home Act reinforces that landlords must provide housing that is safe and free from health hazards. This includes maintaining structural components, safety issues, and overall livability. If a landlord ignores maintenance issues such as mold, leaks, electrical hazards, well, it can lead to legal claims or even defenses against eviction. For example, if a tenant can prove that the home was not habitable, they may challenge rent obligations or even delay any eviction proceedings. Well, lease compliance is equally important. While Georgia law allows flexibility in drafting leases, once a lease is signed, both parties are legally bound to its terms. Well, this includes rent collection procedures, late fees, maintenance responsibilities, and notice requirements. A common mistake landlords make is violating their own lease, such as accepting partial payments during evictions or failing to follow notice timelines. Well, these errors can reset the eviction process or even cause a judge to dismiss the case entirely. Evictions themselves must be handled strictly through the legal process. In Georgia, a landlord cannot remove a tenant, change locks, or shut off utilities without a court order. Doing so is considered an illegal self-help eviction and can expose the landlord to damages. The proper process requires notice, filing in court, and obtaining a dispossessory judgment. Even small procedural mistakes such as incorrect notices or improper filings can delay the case by weeks, even months. Well, fair housing compliance is another area that landlords often overlook. Federal and state laws prohibit discrimination based on protected classes, and violations can result in very serious legal action. Well, this includes how you advertise, screen tenants, and interact with applicants. For example, selectively applying criteria or making statements that discourage certain groups can trigger complaints, even if unintentional. The liability of noncompliance is real and often underestimated. Consider a landlord who fails to provide a damage list after move-out. Under Georgia law, they may lose the right to retain any portion of the deposit. Or a landlord who delays returning the deposit without proper documentation, they could face triple damages. In eviction cases, accepting rent after filing can restart the process, costing additional months of lost income. Well, these are not rare scenarios. They happen every single day. And remember, put everything in writing. Do not move forward on an agreement with your tenant until it has been written down and sent. Your best bet is to get a reply back from your tenant and to keep this document with your leases. And yes, email is considered proper notice. Well, staying compliant in Georgia requires more than good intentions. It requires systems, documentation, and consistency. Well, every lease, repair, notice, and financial transaction must align with both the law and the terms of your lease. For many landlords, especially those managing properties on their own, this can become overwhelming. That is why understanding compliance or at least working with professionals who do, is one of the most important steps in protecting your investment. Well, look, if you have a situation and you need help, well, give me a call and let's see how I can assist you. If you like this video, please hit the like, and I'll see you next time.